All right, what I'm going to show you guys how to do today basically is how to save files on your home directory, how to locate your home directory. Those of you who were in Huron Valley Schools last year did not use Windows 7. You guys used Windows XP. So it's a little bit different. You should have your H drive or your home directory icon on your desktop. When you click on it, you'll notice that it looks a lot different than what it did last year. I'm Hamilton G, so here's my home directory right here. You should see that icon, and when you double click it like I just did, you see all the folders inside it. For the most part, what you guys need to understand is I got a lot of stuff in here, so I have a lot of folders. The very first thing I should see when I open up your file directory is 3 folders: a 6th grade folder, a 7th grade folder, and an 8th grade folder. Even if you're a 6th grader, you'll be making a 7th and 8th grade folder, so you already have them for next year. I shouldn't see loose files kicking around like here. Now, these are things I haven't filed yet. So the only thing I should see would be those file folders and any other file folders that you would have installed by the Windows program. That's one way to get back to it as well, or to get to your folder. You'll also see a number of files over here. Here's the same file that I just opened, Hamilton G, and then you guys will have a shared folder as well. So when you're sharing files, and in this case it's the S drive, it'll say right on top of that file name, shared, and then S. So I have got an alias file folder set up for you guys for ZZoe on my desktop, so it will mimic what a student's account will look like. What I'm going to have you guys do when you go back to your seat is double click your home drive and get into your H drive, and then from there I'm going to have you guys put in file folders. So here's ZZoe's folder, and notice your data path is right across the top here. It's an alias on my desktop, so it looks a little bit different, but I'm in the students folder, which is inside Oak Valley, okay, and then I'm on the user folder, ZZoe. So to put a folder in, same thing as last time, you can right click, new folder. You should have a 6th grade folder, and yes, you need to spell it out correctly, and everybody should look the same. This is not a time to be innovative or creative. Right click, new, another folder. You guys might already have this if you were here last year. If not, you need to fix it. So it looks just like this, and one more time, new folder, 8th grade. When you put these in, please make sure you don't have lowercase g's. It should look just exactly like that. Double click 8th grade, you'll put all your classes in there. That saves you a lot of aggravation in the long run. So I'm just going to put in 21st century, and it should appear just like that. It should be spelled correctly. It should be 21st, no spaces between the 21 and the ST, space, first letter capitalized in century would be C. I'm good to go. And then if you have language arts, then go ahead and put in language arts, social studies, whatever it is. All right. So there you are as far as what you need to do. No, not now. Not now. So back to where we were. We had a minor interruption here. So what you're going to do from there is you're going to go back to Edmodo. Once you clean and arrange and open up your files, I have on there for you your password document. You're going to click download, and you're going to save it. Even if you have a password document from last year, I want you to use this one because I've changed it a little bit. Go into your home directory. Actually, I'm ZZoe, so I'm going to do this a little bit different. You will go to your home directory here, but since I have an alias on my desktop for ZZoe, I'm going to go to my desktop. This is not a step that you guys will be doing. There's ZZoe. I am doing this for 8th grade right now, 21st century. Save it. ZZoe is my fictitious. The question was, who was ZZoe? ZZoe is a make-believe student that I've put out there so I can show you how to do things, but have it look just like you would see it as a student. So I've made him up to help out the class.